What would you like to say about our journey?
My toes hurt.
And
your face is red.
oh thanks. Steve? Is my face really red? I'm cold.
You can't really see it on camera, but yeah.
Oh, good! I'm cold and I'm hungry and I'm tired. But we're almost there.
Let's film it.
See? Right there. Okay. This has been a adventurous journey.
Bye, Corey. I love you. I'm thinking about you.
Oh, how cute. What about for Wakaku?
Fuck Steve.
Okay.